I'm back with this video on this makeup look. So if you want to see how I did it, please keep watching. If you haven't already, if you want to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be uploading a lot more YouTube videos as of now. Okay, so I think I'm going to start off with my brows, and I'm going to use what I've been using for the past maybe like 3 months. The NYX micro brow pencil. This one is ash brown. So I'm drawing my line kind of underneath, and then I'm just gonna brush my own hairs up and just gonna fill in. I don't really like my brows too much. I kind of like them a little bit more natural. So I'm just gonna slightly fill up here. Cool. So I'll probably go over it after I do my skin. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Plouise base as my eyeshadow base. So I'm gonna use my MAC 252 brush, this guy. It's just carving that crease out. Carving that crease, no carving that brow. Yeah, so this is the palette. It is Unreal BB22. I just bought a new one as well, so this is my new one, which I might use as well in this video. So I'm just kind of patting it on first, just to make sure my colour is coming out evenly all over. Lightly. And because same place where I put my Plouise colour. So once it's kind of like around the crease of my eye, then I might go back in with my colour before, Plouise, and blend that up. The C510, this little lead, and Prin. So I'm just going to be careful because it's very white. Latte. Cute. The new BB22. And then just buff it out. On my 252 brush again. And again in here. It's very pretty. This selfie from Peaches and Cream again, and just give it a little bit of a, you know, like a over this way. Jono. Okay, so I did my other eye, and like the pigment on its own is really, really, really nice. I think I want to add some glitter. NYX glitter glue, or glitter primer. I'm gonna again kind of start in here. And like you can kind of see it as well, like it's like a creamy color. So it's not like completely see-through. I'm not going all the way down here because I'm doing liner. And I don't want it to get that kind of manky, clumpy effect. Okay, liner. My trusty liquid liner. Good old Essence liquid liner. But I don't really like using gel on myself, so I think I might try the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Yeah, I haven't tried it yet. Yeah. I'm just gonna coat my lash line. Gonna go in here to that little gap in there. Look at my face. And I just and breathe. Beautiful. I'm gonna use the Be a Belle lashes. I've used them, so they're here. I just coat, whoa, coat a decent bit. Okay. Drops, and this is okay, it doesn't say the color, but it's the lighter one. If that makes any difference to you. So this foundation, The Ordinary 2.0, but just for the color, I don't know will it match my like tan that well from Buff and Blend. So I love this brush for foundation. It's the BB05. Does that match me? So I feel like it is quite, it's like a light-ish coverage foundation. It's medium. Yeah, we'll make it work. It was just like I heard about it. It's the Catrice liquid camouflage high coverage concealer. So I heard someone talking about it, and I heard that they were saying that it was like it was a dupe for the Naked Skin by Urban Decay, which is what I usually use. So I was like, grand, let's just pick up a few. So I picked this up, and I think it was maybe €3 or €4 with medium tan by MAC. Tan. And this is a Cosette brush, Cosette. As you can see, it's not mine, it's Nicole's. Soz about that. We'll give it back. This is the Be Perfect LMD Louise McDonald Master Palette from Be Perfect Cosmetics. I'm going to use the Sculpt for a little bit more contour. I might use this as a blush, and I'm going to use their highlight as well. kind of there, so it's not like big stripe, you know. Yeah, just a little fan brush and the highlight from the palette. The Laura Mercier, translucent. I got this the other day when I had no lip liner in my bag, and that freaks me out. So this is Flormar, but it's just the Flormar it says there, and then it's number 202. The NYX lingerie in number 19, and this is a really nice peachy nude. Oh yeah, this is the finished look. I think I'm pretty much done. And I never realised it until I was finished filming that I never said thank you so much for watching, so thank you very much for watching.